Premature ejaculation, or PE, really messes with a man's life. It crushes confidence. It strains relationships. You just do not feel in control. This lack of control causes big worry and stress. Sure, doctors offer pills, but these often come with side effects. They can make you feel worse. Sometimes you just stop taking them. We need better options, right? That is why we are talking about acupuncture today. It is a very old practice from traditional Chinese medicine. Now, science is looking at it for PE. So, what is PE exactly? Experts say it is when you ejaculate too fast, usually within about 1 minute of sex. You cannot delay it. This causes you distress. You feel bothered, frustrated. Maybe you even avoid sex. A key sign is a very short time until ejaculation, often less than 3 minutes. But it is not just about timing. It is really about feeling out of control. It is about the emotional toll. This truly impacts your mental health and your relationships. For years, doctors used medications like SSRIs, think duloxetine, paroxetine, or sertraline. These pills can help you last longer. They work for many guys, but they also bring a lot of unwanted issues. You might feel dizzy, cannot sleep, get stomach pain, nausea, or headaches. They can even cause other sexual problems. Who wants that? These side effects often make guys quit their treatment early. So we keep looking for something that works well, something easier to tolerate. Acupuncture is showing real promise here. Acupuncture has been part of traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. Now, modern science is really digging into it. It is being studied for all sorts of health issues, including PE. A big review recently looked at 7 different studies. Over 600 men participated. This review gave us some important clues about acupuncture's effects and safety for PE. This review compared real acupuncture with sham acupuncture, which is like a placebo. The guys who got real acupuncture saw big improvements. Both objective and subjective measures got better. What does that mean? The time until ejaculation significantly increased. That is a key measure of control. And here is the really important part. Acupuncture also greatly improved scores on the Premature Ejaculation Diagnostic Tool, or PEDT. This tool asks you directly about your control, your satisfaction, and how much PE bothers you. So acupuncture helps with the physical timing, but it also eases your emotional and psychological burden. It helps you feel better overall, improving your relationships too. Is not that what you are really looking for? The review also looked at using acupuncture with other common PE treatments. Guess what? Adding acupuncture made those treatments much more effective. It boosted success rates. Guys lasted longer. Their scores on another tool, the Chinese Index of Premature Ejaculation 5, PSI-PE5, also got better. This shows acupuncture can be a powerful add-on. It can round out your treatment plan, giving you more support. What about acupuncture versus those SSRI medications? The studies were not perfect. The evidence quality was generally low. But the combined results suggest acupuncture is about as good as SSRIs. It is non-inferior for things like how long you last, your PEDT scores, and overall success. One score, the PSI-P5, seemed a bit better with SSRIs, but think about the downsides. SSRIs often cause full-body side effects. They can make you stop treatment. Acupuncture side effects are usually mild, maybe a little pain or a tiny bruise where the needle goes. Maybe you feel a bit dizzy for a moment. This huge difference in side effects is a big deal. Acupuncture looks like a really good choice, especially if you want effective help without harsh side effects. Even if it is just as good, that is a win, right? How PE makes you feel is crucial. Remember, it is not just about timing. It is about that feeling of not having control. It is about the distress. Acupuncture helps with these feelings directly. It improves your scores on tools like the PEDT. This shows it does more than just make you last longer. It boosts your confidence. It helps your mental well-being. It strengthens your connections with others. It helps you feel like you again. So, how does acupuncture actually work? Traditional Chinese medicine says PE comes from imbalances, especially in your heart, liver, and kidneys. It is about your vital energy, or qi, not flowing right. Modern science is exploring this. They think acupuncture needles stimulate specific points. This might affect your brain and nervous system. It could change levels of brain chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. It might even alter nerve sensitivity in your genital area. It is similar to how SSRIs work, but without all those synthetic chemicals throughout your body. Acupuncture seems to help your body rebalance itself in a more natural way. When you get acupuncture for PE, practitioners often use specific points. things like ST36, BL23, LR3, and SP6. These points are chosen because TCM theory links them to sexual function and overall body balance. But here is the important part. A good acupuncturist will not just use a standard recipe. They will do a thorough checkup on you. They will figure out your unique issues. Then, they will create a treatment plan just for you. This is different from a standard pill prescription. In TCM, many different underlying syndromes can lead to PE. Maybe it is damp heat or kidney yin deficiency. Your acupuncturist builds a plan just for your body. This personalized approach often leads to better results and happier patients. Now, we need to be clear. The studies on acupuncture for PE are promising, but they are not perfect. The overall quality of evidence was generally low. Why? Some studies had too few participants, blinding was tricky, and the studies varied a lot in how they were designed. Many of these studies came from China. We need more research from other parts of the world. This would help us know if it works for everyone. We need bigger, stronger studies. These studies would truly confirm how well acupuncture works, but do not let that discourage you. The current data is very encouraging. It suggests acupuncture is a real option. It is often better tolerated. You can use it alone or add it to other treatments for PE. If you are dealing with premature ejaculation and you are looking for real solutions, especially ones with fewer side effects, acupuncture is definitely worth considering. Taking charge of your health is key to better sex life and a happier life overall. Always talk to your doctor first. Before you start any new treatment, a healthcare professional can assess your situation. They can discuss all your options, including acupuncture. Together, you can create the safest, most effective plan for your needs. Having informed choices gives you power. It helps you regain confidence and connect better in your intimate moments.
This video is brought to you by Global Men's Wellness, your 24/7 AI health expert. Get on-demand, concierge-level answers in seconds, not weeks, without the cost, the wait, or the awkward conversations associated with traditional medical visits. Take control of your health anytime, anywhere. Visit globalmenswellness.com to start your free trial today.